Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we discuss the static portion of general knowledge. In this video, we shall discuss the important books and authors. So without any further delay, let's start with the video. The book Prashnottar Malika has been written by Amogh Varsha and Buddha Charitam has been written by Ashwa Ghosh. The Brahma Sutras have been written by Bhadrayan and the Natya Shastra is written by Bharat Muni. Kiratarjunyam, which is about the conversation between Arjun and Shiva in the Mahabharata, is written by Bharavi. Band who was the court poet of Harshvardhan, has written two important books called Harshcharitam and Kadambari. Harshcharitam is the biography of King Harshvardhan. Swapnavas Dattam has been written by Bhasha and Jayadev has written the Geet Govindam. The famous author of Sanskrit called Dandin has written three major books and they are Dashkumar Charitam, Avyadarsha and Avanti Sundari. The Dashkumar Charitam is about 10 princes and Avanti Sundari is about a lady from Avanti and it overlaps the storyline of Dashkumar Charitam. The Arthashastra has been written by Kautil and we know him as Chanakya. Arthashastra is a book on politics and diplomacy and it is not on economics. Harshvardhan himself was a great patron of literature and he has also written several books such as Nagananda, Priyadarshika and Ratnavali. The Ashtadhyayi, which is a book on Sanskrit grammar, it has been written by Panini and Patanjali has written the Mahabhashya. The greatest author of Sanskrit, that is Kalidas. He has written several books such as Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Kumar Shambhavam, Ritu Sangharam, Malvikagnimittram, Meghdutam, Raghuvansham, and Vikramavarshiyam. Then we also have several scholars who have compiled their works into books such as Aryabhat, who has written Aryabhatiyam and Surya Siddhantam, Varahamihir, who has written Pancha Siddhantika and Brihat Samhita. The Charak Samhita has been written by Charak and Sushut Samhita has been written by Sushut. The Kam Sutram has been written by Vatsayan. The Panchatantra has been written by Vishnu Sharma and it is a book on life lessons where stories are told as conversation between various characters. A similar book has also been written by Narayana and it is known as Hitopadesha. Then there is a book called Pandurang Mahatyam and it has been written by Tenali Ramakrishna. He lived in the court of Krishnadev Rai and was a ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire. The Rastarangini is written by Kalhan and this book provides a detailed history of the Kashmir region. The Prithviraj Raso, which is a detailed account of King Prithviraj Chauhan, it has been written by Chand Bardai. Also, Prithviraj Raso is considered to be the first book of Hindi language. The Sur Sagar, written in Braj language, has been written by Surdas and he was a Krishna devotee. Then we have several foreigners as well who have provided an account of India in their writings. For example, the Shahnama has been written by Firdausi and Kitab al-Hind is written by al-Biruni. Al-Biruni came to India with Mahmud of Ghazni and was a Persian. The Rihala is a book written by Ibn Battuta who was a Moroccan traveler and he came to India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Then there are four major books from the Mughal period. Two of them are biographies and two others are autobiographies. Babur and Jahangir have written their own autobiographies and they are called Tuzuke Babari and Tuzuke Jahangir. Humayun and Akbar have their biographies called Humayunama and Akbarnama. The Humayunama was written by Gulbadan Begum, who was the sister of Humayun, and Aine Akbari was written by Abul Fazl, who was one of the Navratnas of Akbar. Furthermore, we have several books from international authors as well, which are important from exam point of view. Let's take a look at them as well, and we shall begin with Charles Dickens, who has written books such as Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, and A Tale of Two Cities. The book War and Peace has been written by Leo Tolstoy, and Sir Arthur Conan Doyle has written Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. Mark Twain has written The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Alice in Wonderland is authored by Lewis Carroll and Sir Richard Burton has penned down the Arabian Nights. The books Arms and the Man and Around the World in 80 Days have been written by George Bernard Shaw and Jules Verne respectively. The Greek author Homer has written Odyssey and Iliad and Paradise Lost is a work of John Milton who was blind. The Jungle Book and The Origin of Species are the works of Rudyard Kipling and Charles Darwin, respectively. And the former Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru has written The Discovery of India and The Glimpses of World History. Similarly, Mahatma Gandhi has also written My Experiments with Truth, and Rabindranath Tagore has written books such as Gitanjali and The Postmaster. Then we have Gulliver's Travels, which is a work of Jonathan Swift, and similarly, Robinson Crusoe is a work of Daniel Defoe. We get a lot of information about Isaac Newton from his book Principia, and the communists have two major books called Das Kapital and Communist Manifesto, and both of them have been written by Karl Marx. The Treasure Island is written by Robert Louis Stevenson, and Three Musketeers is a work of Alexander Dumas. Adolf Hitler has written his story in his book called Mein Kampf. The PDF of this material is available on the Telegram channel and the link is in the description. This was the end of the video and thank you for listening.